Like if Sephora's having a sale, let me go ahead and re-up on all the items that I need. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline here, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a few items that I picked up from the Sephora sale that they had going on. This is the package. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you guys things that I purchased. If this is your first time here and you want to see more of your girl on this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click to get bell notifications. I can't even speak, you guys. My audio may not be the best audio because my mic is not working, which is so sad, but you know what? We're placing an order on Amazon as we speak. Hold on, you guys. We gotta get our thumbnails. I want to get the good side of my, like this, like. Let's open it up. Oh, this is a list of all of the items that I purchased. This is like everything. First items that I got, we're gonna go like by skincare. So for skincare, I'm starting to be like really big on skincare. This is the Sephora Clarifying Peel Pad. It purifies and exfoliates, and it is unscented. So it comes with like 65 pads. It is unscented, so this is how it looks like. It's already like pre-moist, so I'm gonna be like applying it AM or PM. And you don't have to rinse it off. So like, I was like, this is a good thing that I can add to my skincare routine. The next thing that I got, which is like a re-up, is it came out, the box was already open. This is the Sephora Serum. This is the serum that I've been using and I really like it. I was afraid because I didn't want anything to break me out, and nothing by the grace of God has broken me out, so I went to restock on this. This is like the mini size and it was like $20 or $22. So the direction says to just use it like during the daytime. I apply it morning and nighttime, so that works for me. It hasn't broken me out yet and it's not expensive, you know what I'm saying? It's like a Sephora brand, Sephora collection. So yeah, I go ahead and I use this serum here. I do have this one. This is the one I've been using. As you can see, it's almost done, so I went ahead, I'm like, let me go ahead and restock up on it. So yes. The next item that I have is the Glow Recipe Toner. This is another item that I went ahead and I restocked on again. It helps to hydrate skin and help minimizes the appearance of pores all at once. I mean, like my pores, like I don't really have pores like crazy like that, so I guess it's helping. So I'm guessing it's doing what it needs to do. Okay, so this is another item that I went ahead and I re-upped on. So this is it here, and this is the mini. Is it the same thing? Yeah. This is the mini. So this is the one that I have now. As you can see, it's almost done, but I went ahead, I'm like, if Sephora's having a sale, let me go ahead and re-up on all of the items that I need. This one, you can use it for the morning time and at nighttime. So you gently press it into your face and neck until fully absorbed. You could also apply it with a cotton pad and avoid eye area. So another item I went ahead and I re-upped on was the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. It has SPF 40. It's water and sweat resistance. So I only apply it like in the morning time if I'm gonna be like in the sun and stuff like that. It's sunscreen, so I do want to try the Black Girl sunscreen, but I've seen like reviews where it's like it breaks people out, so I'm scared of that, but I hope it doesn't break me out. But I've seen comments like that. So this is like a free item that I got. No, was it free? No, I used points. I think I used points for this. I used like 100 points or so. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cleanser. It's for all skin type, right? So I wanted to like try it out because I've seen a lot of people talk about Kiehl's and saying that it's good. So I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out with my points. So this is the one that I got. It's a 1 fluid ounce, so it's like travel size as well. It just says to apply like a little small amount to your face to clean out your face. And I ran out of like cleansing to wash my face, so a cleanser to wash my face. So I'm happy this came literally right on time. So this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. It's a gentle liquid formula that cleanses without over drying or stripping your skin. So which is really good. It has a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, talks about a lot of stuff that I got in there. apricot, vitamin E, avocado oil, a lot of stuff in there. Y'all, everything I got in a mini just in case, like, you know. And the way my bank account is set up, no, we're not doing that. Now we're moving over to like the makeup products. I picked up the Milk makeup because I'm hearing this duo here is like amazing. So I got the primer, the mattifying primer, and I got the, it's a cool bottle. Sorry, that's really nice. This is the Pore Eclipse matte setting spray. Yeah. So yeah, I hear good things about this, so I'm definitely gonna give it a try to see. You know, they're like, it's really good if you have like oily skin, like it holds everything in place. So I'm gonna try this duo together to see how that holds up with my makeup. So yeah, I actually do love the packaging, the all black, the matte, it's giving what it needs to give to the girls, okay? And we are here for it. Look how nice it is. Like, it's nice. It's nice, girl. Like, ooh. I love Sephora and their items so much. I went ahead and got this concealer, the shade Pop de Creme concealer. I use this concealer for my eyebrows, to do my eyebrows, and like it almost like it matches me. So like I don't have that little halo underneath my eyebrows. So because of this concealer here, and it's really, really good. Like, I love Sephora's concealers. And I also picked up the Sephora Microsmooth powder. I got this one in the shade 70. I wear 56. I have hazelnut and this one is mocha. So I go between, you know, whichever one I find there at the time, I go between. But I feel like this could be closer to my shade as my setting powder once I set all of my makeup. So yeah, I got the Sephora Micro Smooth powder and the concealer. Okay, I picked up the shade Chestnut. I don't know if it's too bright for me. And I got like a Butterscotch for like a more brighter concealer. But now I'm not so sure. So let's go ahead and see. This is Chestnut and a Butterscotch. This is what they look like. I think Chestnut could be what I would use to have a brighter under eye concealer. We'll see once I put on like the makeup. And this is Butterscotch, so we'll see. Like, it already feels creamy on the back of my hand already. Like, that's how good it is, baby. That's how good it is. But I just forgot the shade that I was in. I picked up the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, and like, you guys, this is the shade True Grit. The shade is True Grit. Y'all, this shade, like this chocolate lipstick is, oh my gosh, it's amazing. And it's like matte. It's like a soft matte lipstick, and I like it. It doesn't come with a lot of products on here because it's like $27, but with the discount, you know, you pay a little bit less for it. So much. What I really want to do is use this and put it like as my lip liner, or like put it almost entirely all over my lips, and then use like another matte like this, and then apply a gloss so that way my lips can stay on for the most part of the day. So if you guys know any nude lipstick, liquid lipstick that's like matte, that will be like perfect for a woman of color like myself, that's gonna be good for my dark skin, that's gonna make it look okay, comment down below, let me know so I can go ahead and get it. Whether it's gonna be like high end or low end, let me know. I also went and I got the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. I got the mini size. Like I'm saying, you guys, everything I got was mini. This one in the translucent, I can never say it, translucent shade. So this is what the mini looks like, and I'm feeling like, you know, that's enough. Like, so yeah, so I'm gonna be using this like for my under eye setting. I should have gotten another One Size Till Dawn setting spray. I should have, but I could always go to Sephora and get it. But I got this one as well. Last but not least, your girl finally picked up the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering body oil. I hear so much about this that it is really, really good. I have the Fenty Beauty Body Lava and I've been using it. It's a lot that comes in it, and I also got this last time when it was on sale, so I'll be waiting for it when the sale comes through and I pick it up. I've been using it and I love it. I know I'm gonna love this one, so I'm excited to try. I wonder how many this one is. This is it, you guys. I'm scared I'm gonna break it, so I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna hold it like this. This is the Tom Ford Shimmering Body Oil, baby. Get into this oil. Let's get into it. Like, okay, what do I do? Okay. Oh, you spray it, and then I think I put too much on. It smells good. Y'all know I suffer from ashy-itis, but do you guys see that? I think I put it all over my arm. It smells good. It's not too strong, and like the oil, it's not like sticky. Like the one from Fenty Beauty is sticky, but this one is not. Like, it's not sticky at all. And you can see, look how moisturized my hand look. Look how moisturized it looks. This is before and this is after. I'm definitely seeing the moisture and the little sparkle there. I thought it was gonna be like different, but yeah, it's not like overpowering. So like if you wear anything else, it's not gonna like overpower it. It might like blend in with it, like complement it. So I'm excited. So that is pretty much it. That is everything that I purchased during the Sephora sale. Overall, with everything, I'm excited. The only thing I really want to try and see is the concealer, to make sure like I picked out the right shade for the concealer. Comment down below if you purchased some stuff at Sephora and what you purchased and what you would recommend, and vice versa. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.